Get ready to discover the 13 coolest gadgets that every man will appreciate. From tech gadgets to must-have home or travel gadgets, we've got the top 13 coolest gadgets of 2023. Find the perfect cool gadgets for you. Let's dive in. Number 13. Dockcase Pocket M2 NVMe Smart SSD Enclosure. Introducing the Dockcase Pocket M2 NVMe Smart SSD Enclosure, the coolest gadget for portable storage. With its compact design and USB-C connectivity, it's perfect for content creators, travelers, and professionals on the go. The 1.3-inch screen provides real-time drive status and data usage, while the intelligent features allow you to monitor temperature, adjust settings, and upgrade firmware with ease. With its impressive storage capacity, this smart SSD enclosure is a game-changer for those who appreciate convenience and functionality. Say goodbye to bulky storage solutions and embrace the power of the Dockcase Pocket M2 NVMe Smart SSD Enclosure. Number 12. JordiLight Headlamp Flashlight. Introducing the JordiLight Headlamp Flashlight, the coolest gadget for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts. With its powerful 3600 lumens emitted from 19 LEDs, this headlamp ensures unparalleled visibility even in the darkest conditions. The U-shaped touch-activated light design provides easy access to light whenever you need it. Wear it on your head, attach it magnetically, or use the carabiner for added versatility. The JordiLight is not just a headlamp. It also features an e-compass, SOS button, and customizable lighting modes for different situations. Its flexible and lightweight build makes it portable and durable, perfect for your next adventure. Don't miss out on this essential hiking companion, the JordiLight Headlamp Flashlight. Number 11. AirCard. Did you know that a Swiss scientist conducted a fascinating experiment on honesty around the world? And now, the Swiss team has created the AirCard, the coolest gadget to track your wallet. This slim device, similar in size to 2 credit cards, packs a powerful battery that lasts for 2.5 years. Equipped with a 60-decibel speaker, antenna, and NFC module, it's user-friendly and connects seamlessly to 5 smartphones through the app. So if you happen to misplace your wallet, simply check the tag on the map in the app and locate it instantly. With prices starting at just $33, the AirCard is a must-have for anyone who values their belongings and wants peace of mind. Number 10. HOTO Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro. When it comes to precise fixes, the HOTO Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro is the coolest gadget you need. With 48 premium accessories, including tough S2 steel bits in short and long sizes, it ensures you have the right tool for any job. The dual torque levels make it easy to handle any task, while the circular LED light provides clear visibility. The snap-on magnetic bit installation simplifies your work. Plus, with convenient inbox charging and a durable aluminum case, this kit is built to last. Get the precision you need with the HOTO Precision Screwdriver Kit Pro. Number 9. Rode VideoMicro II. When it comes to capturing high-quality sound, the Rode VideoMicro II is the coolest gadget you need. This ultra-compact and lightweight shotgun mic is perfect for run-and-gun video creators and live streamers. Whether you're using a phone or a camera, the Rode VideoMicro II will fit perfectly with the right cable. The included Helix isolation mount system, along with foam and furry windshields, ensures crystal-clear recordings free from unwanted noise or wind interference. Plus, it runs directly from your device's battery, so make sure it's charged enough for your next shoot. Elevate your audio with the Rode VideoMicro II. Number 8. HORL 2 Sharpener. Introducing the HORL 2 Sharpener, the coolest gadget that will bring your dull knives back to life. With its diamond-coated sharpening disc, you can quickly transform your blade into a razor-sharp beast. But here's the unique part. Instead of moving the knife, you move the stone over it. Thanks to the magnetic base, your knife is held at the perfect 15 or 20-degree angle, ensuring precision and compatibility with all kinds of knives. So say goodbye to struggling with dull knives in the kitchen. Let's sharpen them up and get cooking. The HORL 2 Sharpener is here to make your culinary adventures a breeze. Number 7. SUPERHEXA Vision. Introducing the SUPERHEXA Vision, coolest gadget that takes augmented reality to a whole new level. Unlike conventional AR headsets, these glasses are designed with photographers, streamers, and video enthusiasts in mind. With 8 and 50 megapixel cameras, 15x zoom capability, and a powerful Snapdragon processor, you'll capture stunning footage and photos. The user-friendly app allows for quick footage processing, complete with video templates for popular platforms like TikTok and Instagram. With 32 gigabytes of memory, Bluetooth 5.0, and a lightweight design of just 100 grams, these glasses are comfortable to wear and easy to use. Say goodbye to bulky headsets and hello to the future of AR. Get your pair of SUPERHEXA Vision glasses for only $450 and take your content creation to new heights. Number 6. Backyard Banger. Turn your backyard into the ultimate party spot with the Backyard Banger, the coolest gadget for outdoor entertaining. This portable outdoor kitchen island is packed with features, including 16 square feet of counter space, a built-in Bluetooth pop-up speaker, outlets, USB chargers, and even a wireless MagSafe charger. Keep your guests refreshed with a soap dispenser, glass rinser, and fridge. And to create the perfect ambience, the 15-foot triple apex solar umbrella and solar LED lights will light up your space. Get ready for unforgettable backyard gatherings with the Backyard Banger. Bring the barbecue, the music, and the fun. Number 5. Evo Repel. Say goodbye to pesky mosquitoes and enjoy the great outdoors with the Evo Repel, the coolest gadget for outdoor enthusiasts. This portable lantern creates a protective bubble of up to 30 feet, keeping those bloodsuckers at bay. With its built-in 14,400 mAh battery, it doubles as a power bank and provides up to 28 hours of mosquito-repelling power. And with a bright light of 3,000 lumens, it illuminates up to 2,150 square feet, ensuring you have a well-lit and bug-free outdoor experience. Don't let mosquitoes ruin your fun. Get the Evo Repel and enjoy the outdoors to the fullest. Number 4. Flextail Tiny Repel. Don't let mosquitoes ruin your outdoor adventures. Introducing the Flextail Tiny Repel, the coolest gadget that provides 360-degree protection against those pesky bugs. With its double-sided design and 2 repellent mats, it creates a 30-foot protection zone for up to 7 hours. In just 50 seconds, it reaches a temperature of up to 329 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring those mosquitoes stay away. Need a camping lantern? The Tiny Repel has got you covered with adjustable brightness levels that last up to 9 hours. And when you're on the go, it doubles as a power bank to keep your devices charged. Stay bug-free with the Flextail Tiny Repel, the ultimate outdoor companion. Number 3. MYION. In polluted environments like Beijing, having clean air is crucial. Introducing the MYION, the coolest gadget that fights against harmful particles. This compact purifier weighs only 25 grams and can be worn around the neck, ensuring clean air within a 30-centimeter radius. Whether you're in a crowded subway or a busy gym, the MYION works tirelessly to remove 99% of pollutants. With a single charge, it operates for up to 10 hours, providing you with clean and fresh air on the go. Don't compromise your health, invest in the MYION and breathe easy. Say goodbye to smog and hello to cleaner air. Get yours today for just $184. Number 2. Lever Gear Edge XT Multitool. Looking for the coolest gadget that packs a punch? Meet the Lever Gear Edge XT Multitool. This tiny toolbox is your ultimate companion for any task on the go. With a retractable utility blade, screwdrivers, box and bottle openers, and even a handy pry tool, it's got you covered. The one-handed operation makes it super convenient, and the safety lock switch ensures you stay safe. Plus, when the blade gets dull, simply swap it out for a fresh one. Compact and versatile, the Lever Gear Edge XT is the must-have multi-tool for every adventure and DIY enthusiast. Get yours today and be prepared for anything that comes your way. Number 1. Magic Lighting Plate. Whether you're a bookworm or an e-reader aficionado, the Magic Lighting Plate is the coolest gadget you need. With adjustable brightness and color temperature, it ensures the perfect reading experience without disturbing others around you. But it doesn't stop there. This versatile device can also double as a night light, providing up to 10 hours of illumination on a single charge. Weighing just 106 grams, it's the ideal companion for your travels and camping adventures. The cutting-edge semiconductor technology used in its construction guarantees top-notch quality. So why wait? Elevate your reading experience with the Magic Lighting Plate, available starting from just $159. Thanks for watching our video on the 13 coolest gadgets you must love. Which gadget caught your attention the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content.